add a compass to your floor plan, go into the floor plan mode and here go into a note where you will see the compass tool. When you select on add compass, you can see the outline of the compass on your workspace, and when you click on the space where you want to add it, this compass gets added. It is by default allocated the layer of annotation, like you can see here, annotation. You can change the radius of the compass by changing the value here. Let's say I want to make it 400 mm in radius, so the size of the compass will increase. I can also shift the compass right or left by inputting manual values here, or I can select the same and drag it in my workspace. I can also create rotations here if I require, so that the north and south are correctly positioned. So if I want to change the value to 25°, then the compass will rotate by 25° exactly in angle. This is how you can add a compass to your floor plan.